In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Woocommerce variations on the shop page, including variation titles and filtered color and size results. This feature can enhance the shopping experience for your customers by allowing them to see all available options right on the shop page, instead of having to click into individual product pages. This means they can quickly find products that suit their preferences, making the shopping process smoother and faster. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up. First, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com, the hub for building your website. If you haven't logged in yet, don't worry, it's a simple task. Just click on Log In and enter your credentials. If you're on a shared device or don't remember your login details, make sure to use a secure password manager to keep your information safe. After successfully logging in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This will act as your control center for managing and updating your site. Here, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. Plugins are extensions in WordPress that add new features or enhance existing ones, which in this case will help us bring visible variations to your shop page. Click on Plugins and from there, select Add Plugin. This is where you'll search for the exact tool we need. In the search bar, type in Show Variations on Shop Page for Woocommerce. It's worth mentioning that while there are multiple plugins available, make sure to select one that has good reviews and organizes updates frequently to ensure compatibility with your version of Woocommerce and WordPress. After the search results populate, you'll want to click on Variation Swatches for Woocommerce. This plugin will enable you to display product variations with visual swatches instead of simple drop-downs, adding an appealing aesthetic to your shop page while enhancing functionality. Once you've selected the correct plugin, the next step is to click Purchase and Activate. If there's a paid option, be sure to consider the benefits it might offer compared to a free version. Activation means the plugin is now functioning on your site, ready to transform your product display into a more dynamic experience for your shoppers. Remember, after activation, it's always a good practice to go into the plugin settings and configure them to your liking. This might include how variations are displayed and how they fit with your current website design. Once that's all set, your WooCommerce shop should now display product variations right on the shop page, making it easier for your customers to choose products in the colors and sizes they want. That's it. You've successfully enabled WooCommerce variations on your shop page. Your customers now have a more streamlined, visually engaging way to shop with you, hopefully leading to increased satisfaction and sales. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.